I really liked the fact that we could mix theory and practice. I joined that course because I had some learning ideas I wanted to meet, and it was actually really broad. I didn't have very much experience about PR, or I did, and I did not realize that was PR. The main objectives, I think, were to have a background and some ideas on how to move forward. I'm really happy with the fact that I could attend the training because I really could feel all the objectives I had. It was great to see from the history of PR to what's happening today, to what we could do in the future for my own company, so super useful. So obviously I'm gonna use everything I learned today in the future in the company. I think a really good background was how to organize, how to set up things, and that way build something that's gonna work for my own company. I'm really glad we could have the course with Federica because she's been amazing. She was really easy to understand, all the words were perfectly explained, and yeah, she did great. She was using the screen but also having us working as a group. Overall, very, very happy. I think the most effective way to go through the class was to have some theory and then to apply it. So we were having some groups work together, or we were having some pairs work, and then confront all the ideas, all the concept that could be developed, and that worked really well. I really liked the fact that we could mix theory and practice.